Hi everyone, welcome to IMEE's Kitchen. Today I make burger buns. This is so easy to make, so let's get started. In a bowl, mix all these ingredients: 130 ml warm milk, 7 grams of active dry yeast, and 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar. After giving it a little mix, cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now that the yeast is active, it's ready to mix the other ingredients like the flour, then followed by the egg, the butter, a little butter, and a teaspoon of salt. Knead the dough for a few minutes while still in the bowl, and when it does not stick anymore on the sides of the bowl, it's ready to work the dough on the table. Now dust the working surface with a little flour and start kneading the dough for 8 minutes. Now, the dough is ready to take a rest. So get an empty bowl and grease it with oil and put the dough inside it, cover it with plastic, and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubled its size. Now it's time to make burger buns. Deflate the dough gently and form a little log. Then divide it into small pieces. In this recipe, you can make 8 burger buns. Place the burger buns in the baking tray and cover them with plastic or kitchen towel. Let them rest for 45 minutes.
Say hello, Micho. Micho.
After 45 minutes, here they are now. They doubled their size, and it's time to color the surface with the eggwash. Sprinkle a little sesame seeds on top of each burger bun. So here are the soft and fluffy burger buns, ready to be eaten.